Can a temporary custody order be modified? Imagine you're in the middle of a custody case and suddenly circumstances change. You might wonder if you can ask the court to change the temporary custody arrangement. The answer is yes, but there are some important things to know. Temporary custody orders are meant to keep things stable while the case is ongoing. They are not meant to be permanent solutions. If something significant happens that affects the child's well-being or the parent's situation, you can ask the court to modify the order. To do this, you need to file a formal request called a motion or petition. This document explains why you believe the temporary order should be changed. You will need to include evidence or affidavits, which are sworn statements from people like teachers, counselors, or other adults who know about the child's situation. The court looks for strong reasons, such as the child's safety being at risk, a parent moving far away, or the child's own wishes if they are old enough. Courts are cautious about changing temporary custody orders because they want to keep the child's life as stable as possible. Usually, they only approve modifications if there is a clear and urgent reason. Emergency changes can be made without a full hearing if the child's safety is in immediate danger. For example, if a parent is neglecting or abusing the child, the court can act quickly to protect them. Remember, temporary orders stay in effect until the court makes a final decision on custody. Sometimes, both parents agree to change the temporary order before it is signed by a judge. But once the judge signs it, any change requires a formal court process. Temporary custody orders often specify who makes decisions about the child's residence, visitation schedules, and other important matters. If a parent's situation changes, like moving to a new city, or if the child's needs change, the court can modify the temporary order to reflect those new circumstances. This helps ensure the child's best interests are always the priority. In summary, yes, temporary custody orders can be changed, but courts need to see strong proof that the change is necessary to protect the child's safety or well-being. The process involves filing a request with supporting evidence, and the court carefully considers whether the change is justified. The goal is always to keep the child's best interests at the forefront while allowing flexibility for changing family situations.